Hey everybody, welcome to Medling World. We're in Lake K Commons. This vlog's basically just some information for you guys. This shopping plaza, actually almost directly across the street from Epic Universe. I'm going to show you what you can find here, especially if you are staying in one of the resorts near Epic. And not necessarily one of the Universal resorts. There are several other resorts around here. Come on in. Check it out. So again, this is called Lake K Commons. So I'm showing you the road out here because that's Universal Boulevard. Also, South Kirkman Road is right close by too. So if you're in that area, you're going to be able to find this. This is a good spot here, guys. It's early, actually. Good morning. It's 6:45 a.m. I'm out early today, and we're going to make this vlog for you. But I am going to show you everything here. The point of this is, I want to invite everybody. First of all, Roberta, good morning. Roberta's on her way to work. She actually works at Epic. Yeah. And actually picked up a turkey for a friend of ours, a neighbor. Because one of Roberta's friends had an extra turkey. So why not? Let's give it to somebody that could use it, right? So we picked up an extra turkey. Happy Thanksgiving if you're watching this around Thanksgiving. Happy holidays. This is how we vlog, guys. We keep it real. But the point of this, Roberta, go ahead. What's the point of this vlog today?
If you're close by and sometimes you don't want to spend a lot of money in the parks and you want something quick, like Dunkin Donuts already open, we're going to show that. So something quick to eat, or if you're close by but you want to get some groceries, so don't spend a lot of money in the parks.
Pub subs
too. Then you can just stop by quick in here.
Yeah.
It is convenient.
It's very convenient. And again, Epic is right basically across the street.
Yeah.
So if you have your own vehicle, you could drive here, but you could Uber here probably rather cheaply from one of the closer resorts. So let's get right into it, guys. At least show you some of the convenience here at Lake K Commons.
Yeah.
Or if you're from the islands, Lake Key Commons. So you can see, like I said, it's still not even 7 a.m., but you can see all the cars moving, and there's actually a couple of apartment complexes right around here as well. But let's get right into it. So of course, Subway, everybody knows what Subway is, especially from the United States. Plus, I think there are some Subways across the world. We got fast signs. They can help you with anything like that with your businesses. We got Quickly, which I believe is like juices and teas and different things like this. This is what I'm interested in. Oh, I'm zooming that. NYPD authentic New York style pizza. Of course, I'm from the Northeast.
I think we're gonna have to come back.
I will say this. I originally am from Connecticut, and Connecticut does have better pizza from New York. You get mad at me all you want, but we're gonna have to come back. We'll do a review actually at some point on this pizza place. I've had a couple of friends tell me actually that in this plaza, because I was talking about how there was a Publix here because I work for Publix, and they said there's an awesome pizza place in here. So we'll have to come back and try that. We have a steakhouse, Turnerita, I believe is how you pronounce that. Turnerita, possibly. Somebody can help me in the comments if I'm really wrong. We got a China tea. We have Epic Nails, and then we're going to keep walking right here on the corner, guys. Of course, America does run on Dunkin, even down here in Florida. Although I will tell you, if you are from New England, you can't go more than a block or two without finding a Dunkin' Donuts. Here you gotta sometimes travel a little bit longer. But yes, Dunkin' Donuts. And yes, we do have, even in Florida, you can see some of these trees. While I was vlogging this, I was looking at the trees and I'm like, man, these trees don't have leaves. So some of the trees here in Florida do lose their leaves. So I'm just kind of showing you where I'm going because logistics are important on our channel. So we were just in this corner here. So if you come in this way, this is where you would come. And now I'm going to show you the rest. So as we do come around the corner, there was your Dunkin' Donuts. We have the cigar and tobacco there. UPS store, always convenient.
Especially after you're buying a lot of things.
Yeah, that's true, Roberta. In case you buy too many things at Epic. We have T-Mobile for your phone services. And then it looks like there's a dance academy coming soon. I'm going to continue on down the line. One thing I can guarantee you, Roberta, when you're watching Medling World, even if I'm in a parking lot showing you stores, it's always an adventure. You just never know what's going to happen on Medling World. We keep it real. We entertain you. And we're trying to make it fun, even though we're just giving you information. But again, this is a plaza that there's not much around here, to be honest with you. Even though you're in Orlando, over here by Epic, it's a little bit more out of the way.
Correct. It's very newer comparing to the other areas.
Yeah, compared to the original parks.
Yes.
Islands of Adventure and Universal Studios Florida. City Walk, over there, you have things everywhere.
Correct.
Here, it's not as developed. Yeah. I don't want to say you're out in the middle of the woods. You're not, but there's just not as much around this area. Let's continue on. And of course, the best supermarket in all of Florida and in the southeastern part of the country, Publix. There is nothing better than a pub sub, especially the chicken tender pub sub. Amazing. Get everything you need inside, including BOGOs. Yes, I do work for Publix. We have Universal Liquor right there. Not to be confused with Universal Studios. It is just called Universal Liquor. I don't know exactly what that is. That looks like... Oh, okay. So this is like Vanitas. Vanitas. It's... Yeah, so you can do like Botox. They do liposuction, massages, all kinds of things there. Expedia Cruises. So it looks like we have a cruise destination there, which is something you don't see every day. In fact, I have not seen an actual travel agent like just in a plaza like this in many years. That is very, very different. Sushi Hut. And then, of course, you have your... Now, guys, these are not official park souvenir shops. These are third party. So, yes, you can go in. You can get discounted items related to Disney and Universal, but they will not be what you would find at the park. The quality would be quite different. I can promise you that. Just going along, this is kind of neat. They have this little area you can eat outside, and it's covered, so that's great for rain and also the heat, the sun. And that's Beth's Burger Bar. As we continue on down the line here, guys, we also have a barber shop here. Man, they got all kinds of stuff in this plaza. To be honest, I've driven by this plaza, but I've never been in it. This is a vlog I've wanted to do for a while, so I'm happy to share it. Also, Day Spa right there, Roberta.
Yeah.
And if you want to come out and get a little change of pace from park food, they do have what they call the diner, breakfast and lunch right there. Very interesting. So then, guys, kind of as you leave, so let me just kind of show you where we were. We were over in here. I would say this plaza, too, is not... It looks like it's been around for a while. So probably before, mostly for residential use. But now with Epic and newer resorts that Epic built, Universal resorts over on this side of the city, it should get more popular in here, I would imagine. But here, depending where you're from, okay, I never can say Chipotle, you call it what it is. There is also one of these here. It's pretty good though. So yes, a very early morning vlog coming up. Now you might be watching this any time of the year because this is a vlog that is searchable.
Yeah.
But if you happen to be watching it here at the holiday season, I want to wish everybody happy holidays.
Yeah.
Happy Thanksgiving, Roberta.
Almost Thanksgiving. Happy Thanksgiving.
Yeah, a couple days till Thanksgiving. As we said, we did pick up an extra turkey for a friend of ours that lives close by. And again, I want to invite everybody to please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World. We don't just do plazas and parking lots. Okay, on Medling World, we do Universal Studios, we do Disney World, we do Disney Springs, we do City Walk, we do dining, we do pizza reviews, we live locally here in Celebration, Florida. We do all kinds of things about Celebration. We do cruising, we do international travel on our channel. Please take a moment, subscribe to Medling World if you haven't yet. And last but not least, see ya!